Good morning, everyone. The blizzard is here. Last night they were calling for a bit of snow, roughly 20 centimeters. We got it. Everything's covered. Getting the cab loader here plugged in. I'm gonna go get the snowblower attached to it. Gonna get it fired up, warmed up. See if we can't get this driveway cleared out. We got some corn off yesterday. Ground was all cleared. Tractor all ready to do barn chores today. We'll just bed up the pens in the barn today. Basically because we don't want the cows out in this weather. Maybe get them sick. So we'll just bed them up with some small bales from up top of the barn. We got some straw and hay up there we can toss down and give them to bed them up. Get their pens bedded back up a bit for another day. We'll do chores tomorrow when the snow lets up. Just that we prefer to not do it when it's snowing out. Gives them a bit of a chill with the snow. Could cause them to get sick when they're used to the warm barn. Waiting for the glow plugs to shut off here. Oh, there they go. Let this little girl warm up for a bit. We'll go grab the 3-point linkage for this tractor. I'm pulling out to the road here. I got the 3-point linkage. Those buildings over there is where the snowblower is being held. It's outside right now. I'm gonna go toss it on. Hopefully it gets on the 3-point decently well. This is a lot more snow than I expected. I didn't expect for much snow. Basically, since there hasn't been much snow this winter, past 2 months has been nothing. Got something in my eye there. Oh, it's still back. Oh, he's there. Yeah, past 2 months, month and a half, but no snow. Had no snow for Christmas. That actually feels like winter with some snow, which I like that. I like snow for winter. Gets it to feel like winter more than like spring weather. Like early spring when there's like no snow or anything, it's just dry land. I just want winter to be here when it's time. So, time to get some snow plowed. I'm excited to do this. It's fun running it. I have not put the snowblower on this tractor yet before. I've always had it on the open station tractor. Since this tractor used to always stay at the dairy barn and the spreader under the stable cleaner. Now I get to run this one on the snowblower since we don't gotta do that no more. Heading up here. This barn here we store hay in. We store dual wheels and some other things in there. A forge blower sit in that building there too. There's the snowblower. 7-foot Meteor. Let's hope it's not tipped too far forward for the 3-point to not reach it. Got the snowblower hooked on here now. PTO 3-point. Got these hydraulics on. Only needs the one hydraulic for the chute, so I can keep the grapple bucket hoses in. Those hoses run the grapple on there. Perfect, we can start blowing snow. second pass of the driveway now. Snowblowers are working pretty good. Snow's still coming down pretty good. Might have to run another pass in the morning if I get time. Probably won't snow for it tonight to Warren doing again. Mom and Dad, sister went out to town. I stayed home in the plow driveway and do some chores. Gotta bed those cows up after we snowblow the rest of this driveway. Gotta run one more pass down the length and then around the barn a bit more, and then I'll be done. I got most of it done now, which is good. With that all cleared up, start bedding up the cows. Dad's gonna feed when he gets back. Silos are sometimes still buggering up, so I'll let him run them still, because he knows how to fix them when they plug up. I haven't done it yet. I haven't gone up the corn silo because of those doors. I may have put it in a video, but the doors in the corn silo are rotten. Gotta fix them. I'm gonna build some within the next couple weeks. Get them built. Might take some out of one of the silos at the old dairy barn. Go up the silo, just start taking them out, see if they'll fit. Hopefully they do. Saves me building some. They're all brand new doors up to one, so. Getting to the end of the driveway here. This is the windshield wiper that's going by, if anyone's wondering what that black thing is. Well, that will be a fail to put on good. Hit the throttle, not the brake. Didn't spin it the right way. I'll fix that up. I'll clean up the end of the driveway here. I got it all cleaned up there. I'm gonna do one more pass, get that side cleaned up. I'll come down the field here. Oh, that thing's a noisy thing. But I'm gonna come down one more pass here, clean up the side, then work on the yard. Should be done. After that, I think I'm tossing down 9 small square bales. I'm going to toss them to the pens. Won't be too bad. Get them bedded back up, get some bedding into them, get them nice and comfortable. Got done the last pass. Heading back to the yard. Gonna clean up the yard a bit more. Got a couple more spots to do. Around the back there, and around the front, in front of the big tractor door for going in the barn. Gonna clean up that, and hope to have that done within the next 10-15 minutes, maybe 20. Then go bed up the cows and go in for lunch. I got all this area here cleared out. I don't know how I'm gonna do right there since I got the teeth on in the bucket, but I'll try. But I'm gonna clear this area out, clean a bit more of here. I think we're getting transport in tomorrow maybe to empty the wagons. Hopefully we do. We can start combining once the weather clears up. Say 2 weeks till it's cleared up, so at least we got that much done. Alright, we got, I'd say 40 ton off of 8 acres. I'm not complaining about that, that's pretty good. Do that 7 more times, we got 65 acres, 8 done, so good crop. Hopefully it keeps up that way. Get this cropping done by mid-February probably is when we'll get her done because of the snow that's showing up. After today's 20 centimeters of snow, I think tomorrow is a decent day, but Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be rain, 40 millimeters of rain. All the snow will be gone. So we're just clearing this out so we don't get stuck with transports and vehicles coming through the yard. Or else I wouldn't even been doing it because of the rain that's coming. I tossed down 2 bales already. I got another 7 here ready. I'm doing a couple straw, a couple old hay that we're planning on getting rid of. So we'll just use it up for bedding today. Just a couple bales. All back there has first cut hay, but that's from, I'd say, good 10 years ago. It's still pretty good hay. It's just sun bleached, and we plan on getting rid of it to refill it this summer. So we're just gonna start mowing away at it, get it away so we can fill it full. Maybe second cut. That hay is pretty good for cows. Second cut's pretty good, has good nutrition. First cut is too if you get it early enough. But we're gonna work at taking that away so we can fill this barn up with more this summer. Got some straw, tossed it in some hay. You can tell the difference. The straw broke up more. Hay didn't. That straw was put through a rotary combine. We bought this straw, say, a good 2 years ago. Getting close to 2 years, I'd say. So that went through a rotary combine. Ours is a walker, which a walker compared to a rotary combine is like just chop it right up as it goes through the combine. And a walker combine is like, let's say, a hay bine. It doesn't chop it up at all. So a rotary combine would be like the forage harvester compared to a hay bine. I got all the cows bedded up here. Each pen I'm gonna take forks in and what's the word? Shuffle it all around or something. See, it's all in a big clump. I'll shuffle it around to everywhere, kind of like I did here. And that pen there. We're gonna feed these cows up here next hour or so. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully we get some more corn harvest done soon. Probably won't be for a couple weeks, so we'll just be doing jobs around the yard here. Maybe cutting some wood while the ground's hard and we can't get into the fields because of the snow. Might do some of that. Have a good one.